France has offered to develop a fighter jet engine along with India for its 5th generation fighter jet, that is AMCA or Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. French government has given administrative go-ahead to its private jet engine manufacturing company Safran to allow joint manufacturing with its Indian counterparts. To India's surprise, French government has even allowed technology transfer of single crystal blade technology, which accounts for 55 to 60% of the total technology of a jet engine qualitatively. This defense deal of around $11 billion comes back to back after the recent India-US defense deal worth $3 billion. The US-India defense deal involved technology transfer of fighter jet engines from an American private defense company General Electric to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL. However, the most important part of the jet engine, that is single crystal blade technology, has not been included in this technology transfer agreement. The sheer fact that French government has allowed 100% technology transfer of fighter jet engine and especially single crystal blade technology to India shows the level of trust and strategic importance that France gives to India. Both American and French defense deals clearly shows that the Western world wants India to grow economically and militarily to counterbalance China in the Indo-Pacific region. Stay tuned to know more. Like and subscribe your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Jai Hind.